mic.
Hello everyone, I am Ethan Soto, and this is my anger translator, Evan Soto. Hi, we are Rescue Plumbers. A lot of you have been asking if we are a new company. We've actually been around for the last 12 years.
We just been the shadows, baby.
We do toilet installations, water heater installations.
Water heaters.
We find and fix leaks,
We find leaks.
and we also do whole house repipes.
Whole house repipes. Above envelope, baby.
And that's just some of the things that we do. But most importantly, we offer quality product at an affordable price, and we will never ever give you something that you do not need.
I am so sick and tired of being sick and tired. We won't rip you off. And let me tell you another thing. These mother...
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you guys. Again, we're Rescue Plumbers. Give us a call. We'll help you out. Thank you.
Thank you.